Welcome back to our new topic. Today we will share about when it's come to human, there is already have two better. Everything have good side and bad side, and everything have black and white, and there will be have positive and negative. It depends on our choice. If we do our ability and our activity is prefer to the good thing or the bad thing. If it tend to the good thing, the situation will be good, and if it tend to the bad thing, the situation will be bad. And it's so simple. The thing we do is good for the human, the environment below, and the us and the universe is impact on that how it is. And as a human, sometimes we need something control. It depends on us. In the sky, there will already be have the good thing and the bad thing, under the ground and on the ground. In the life, there will be the good side better and bad side better. It depends on where we stand for. That is all about today. And thank you for today. Thank you for your coming. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye for now.